We're enlivening leftover fried fish today. They've been in the freezer for a long time. Just by adding these simple ingredients. Please join me at my small kitchen. Warm welcome back to Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. The last time we cooked fried fish with toasty, something Chinese. This time it's much easier. I promise this will take around just 10 minutes. Because I already prepared the ingredients. Nothing fancy, garlic, onion, and tomatoes. Lots of tomatoes. And also notice that we're using fried and frozen fish, which I imported from the Philippines, which I also harvested from the very fish pens of my barrio. There's a clip on that at the end of this video. Aside from this, we need oil, of course. What's stir fry without oil? And that's what we're pouring now. And by the way, what are we cooking? I haven't told you yet. It's Sarciado. It's the quickest and the easiest way to add life or to enliven that leftover fish. We call it Sarciado in the Philippines, but in fact it is Salseado. Since our culinary terms in the Philippines just describe how the food was prepared, Salciado means just adding sauce to something. So, Salciado bangus, or fish Salciado, or fish with sauce. What characterizes that, or what makes it very Philippine, not very Philippine, is the addition of fish sauce. By the way, we're doing this next time with chicken. So let's start. My garlic are beginning to grow. I think I'm gonna plant them. This is a gardening and cooking channel after all. Next, the garlic. Talking about the garlic. Can you smell it, cameraman?
Yes, of course.
Yeah? And the tomato. Look, they even begin to burn now. I like this pan. It's really hot. This may be known in the Philippines as Salseado, but in fact, I think it's also known in Italy. They would call this pomodoro e culatura, because those are the very ingredients. Pomodoro, the tomato, and the culatura, the patis or the fish sauce. Some would add the patis later on, or the fish sauce later on, but I'd like to add it now while doing the stir fry. I'd like to infuse it in the oil and also in the water later. That was generous. I fried this in the Philippines and I brought them here. They have been in the freezer for months now. Deep freezer. Look, it's still frozen. Look, this is now boiling. And we can add the fish right now. Or water. We're flexible. We can add water now. Or fish even. We can also help it by smashing the potatoes. Did I say potatoes? Tomatoes. It's boiling, which means we can add the frozen fish, the fried and frozen fish. As this simmers, we can prepare the rest and the last ingredient. Eggs. Just beat it like this. And we're finished with the rest of the ingredients. We're almost done. It's cooked, as I promised. It was very quick. Look at this. How easy can this be? It looks delicious. Let's taste the sauce. I'm very happy.